Love is a rebel fire burning higher in every man's soul. A righteous flame of truth and power keeping all the hearts whole. No chains can ever bind it, no Babylon can divide it. Cause when a woman love you clean and pure, Jah wisdom ride it. Oh.
Mr. Love no come for vanity, love no buy no fame. It's the medicine of humanity, the mighty healing flame. So me chant for the lovers who walk in a light, hold each another tight, keep the fire bright. Like sunrise breaking every shade of blue. Hold on, me and you. Cause when the heart beats true, there's nothing love can do.
I feel your heartbeat in the rhythm of the drum tonight. A gentle breeze of passion swaying soft beneath the moonlight. You treat me like a queen with your truth and dignity. Your strength and your kindness, they set my spirit free.
And when the world get heavy, you still caress my mind with words of gold and courage that lift me every time.
You love me in the open, no fear and no disguise. You water all my dreams and watch my hope arise.
Love, Jah love will carry we through. Like sunrise breaking every shade of blue. Hold on, me and you. Cause when the heart beats true, there's nothing love can do.
The love stand firm like the roots of the ancient tree, and it grow into a kingdom where the hearts move free. No weapons of confusion can break this energy, cause we rise in the light of our unity.